The only way to fish is to start. And I was drowning before I even picked up the rod. I used to wake up every day, overwhelmed, juggling caregiving for my mom, trying to make ends meet, and wondering if I'd ever get to build something of my own. I kept telling myself I'd start tomorrow, when I had more time, more energy, or more money. But one day I realized the perfect moment isn't coming to me. The only way to catch anything is to cast the line. So I started researching ways on how to create income online using the time I had. I found a simple system called the Legacy Builder Blueprint, and believe me, that works. It's for anyone like me, caregivers, busy parents, dreamers who need real income, not more motivation. So, if you've been waiting for a sign to start, this is it. Get in touch with me through my website, my email, or just drop a comment, and you will get all the information needed to get you started. Remember, the only way to fish is to start.